What's the meaning of Benny Hill? Benny Hill. Benny Hill.
Benny Hill. Benny Hill. Benny Hill is a term commonly associated with the British comedian and actor Alfred Hawthorne Hill, also known as Benny Hill. Hill was known for his slapstick comedy, fast-paced sketches, and use of risque humor. The Benny Hill style came to refer to this type of humorous content, particularly in television and films. However, his comedic style has since been criticized for its sexism and objectification of women. Despite this, Benny Hill remains a popular figure in British pop culture and continues to influence comedic work to this day. Overall, the term Benny Hill signifies a specific type of humor and comedic style.